Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications in Windows Defender Firewall in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button icon with a start, and then you need to go to run. Here in open field you need to type control, then you need to click OK. Now we need to go to System and Security Settings, and here we need to select Windows Defender Firewall. Here we need to go to left panel and go to change notification settings, and now you need to uncheck these two options: notify me when Windows Defender Firewall blocks a new app. This option is for private network settings, and here we need to uncheck this one option: notify me when Windows Defender Firewall blocks a new app, but this time it is for public network settings. If you want to save changes, you need to click OK button, so I click here. And now notifications from Windows Defender Firewall have been successfully turned off. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.